Welcome to the 2016 Progressive Los Angeles Boat Show. This is the Jeanneau display. We have the Velasco 37F, the Jeanneau 379, 409, 469, and the Jeanneau 57 yacht. Hope forward.
It's a good light on them too.
Especially that champagne hull, the Jeanneau 57, 469.
25 per foot on a side.